Yo guys, welcome back to Stock Talk Insider. Today I will be talking about the Honest company. Probably if you click this video you really like the information you get about the company, so I will explain more about the company, what the company is, and what I got together for you today. It's not all that I could say because I have a more deep dive video that I uploaded a couple of days ago, but for now we're going through the most basic stuff of the Honest company, which is just enough to give you perspective if the stock is something for you or not. But yeah, diving right into the stock, the Honest company, one of my new favorite picks. I already have 500 shares of the stock, so already at a profit of a little 100 euros, but 500 shares sounds like much, but for a small cap and the stock price, it's actually not that much. The company has a market cap plus minus of around 500 million, so yeah, that's actually still a very small market cap, and it's very difficult to find some companies with a market cap in millions that is doing it like Honest. So yeah, that's what you want, a company like Honest with that low of a market cap and such high potential to grow. It's such a good company in my opinion, and I do believe that the risk for it going lower is so little compared to where it can grow to. So yeah, going straight into it. So yeah, welcome back to the channel again, and the Honest company, known for its transparent and sustainable products. What are the newest numbers and strategies? Let's find out. So in Q1 2025, the Honest company reported a revenue of 97 million, up 13% year over year. Gross margin increased by 170 basis points to 39%, and net income came in at $3 million compared to a $1 million loss in the same period last year. So that was Q1. In Q2 2025, the Honest company reported a revenue of $93 million, making a 0.4% increase year over year, which is still an increase. While the revenue growth was modest, the company achieved a significant milestone with a net income of $4 million, a substantial turnaround from a $4 million loss in the same quarter last year. So that's a very big keynote. Also, a little narrator is that adjusted EBITDA stood at $8 million, reflecting a stable performance and marking the 7th consecutive quarter of positive adjusted EBITDA. That's talking about EBITDA. One of the standout achievements this quarter was a gross margin expansion to 40.4%, up 210 basis points from the previous year. This improvement underscores the company's commitment enhancing profitability through operational efficiency. CEO Carla Vernón emphasized that the company's current strategy revolves around three key pillars: brand maximization, margin and enhancement, and operating discipline. By focusing on these areas, the Honest company aims to strengthen its foundation before pursuing the aggressive and the wanted growth, and the desired growth, of course. Before really doing that, they just want a very good stable base. So again, foundation is a very important word to use in these circumstances. Despite challenging macroeconomic environment, the Honest company has maintained a healthy balance sheet with no debt outstanding. The company's commitment to clean and sustainable products continue to resonate with consumers, positioning it well for future growth. Another narrator on that is that looking ahead, the Honest company reaffirms its full year 2025 financial outlook, projecting 46% revenue growth and adjusted EBITDA between 27 and $30 million. I do like that they are just slightly increasing and maybe making the little beats on this increasement, because we do have to look at Honest on the long term, and long term I mean between 5 to 7 years. Now we are talking about 46% revenue growth, but as I said before, we are focusing right now not on that, but we are focusing right now on the stabilization of the company, and again we are focusing a lot on the foundation of the company and doing consistent net income and just doing very good things like margin also. So consistent net income and consistent good margins. So we have no problems with that. If that's good, if net income is good and margins improve or stay the same, because around 40 to 42% is very good margin for a company like Honest. So staying in that range or even growing would be a very good catalyst for the stock. And then taking also the consistent net income is a very good response for going further into increasing its revenue, spending on more marketing and all of that stuff. So you can expect that in the coming year, Honest will probably still be keeping its building foundation type of period, and after that they will go into the more marketing stuff and the more improvements in the revenue growth. But at this point we are still laying our foundation for a stable company, because that's all you want for building bigger and building further onto that. So yeah, having said that, I do just think that in the coming years that's just the reason to buy even more, and that's just a buying period. Then having said that, we also have a little bit of other things. So that's a wrap on our Q2 2025 financial overview. The Honest Company, stay tuned for more updates as the company continues to execute its strategy for sustainable growth. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you like the video. And yeah, this was just a little based type of information video, just for you guys to have a little bit of a sense, if you didn't know Honest Company, in what the company actually is. And if you want a more deep dive video, you can also just look at the older video of mine that I uploaded a little bit earlier this week, and that will give you a very good and deep dive information type of view onto the Honest Company. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.